French gestures and expressions, okay? So the screen will be divided into the first part here will show you Laurent, my friend Laurent, who will make the gestures, and then you will have these expressions. So normally the expression connected to the gesture next to it. The first one, mon œil, is a real classic one in France. So you want to say that you don't believe what the person just said. And so the expression is mon œil, so I don't believe you, and look at the gesture, it goes with it, so you show your eye. One more time. Mon œil, so I don't believe you, okay? Next one, oh la la, the classic one. Oh la la, so look at the gesture that come with it, so it's like that, oh la la. Okay, one more time. Oh la la. Okay. Ça pince. Well, the expression, one of the expressions we can use to say that it's really cold. It's really cold. And look at the gesture one more time. Okay. That's it. The next gesture, on se tire. Well, if you want to translate that, it's let's get out of here. On se tire. Let's get out of here. One more time. That's it. Okay. The next one, ah ben là, je sais pas trop. So you want to say that you don't know. You don't know. Je sais pas trop. Okay. So one more time, at Laurent, I don't know. Look. All right. Okay. And the next one, je sais pas. Well, it's exactly the same thing. You don't know. Another gesture to express that. Look, it's everything is in the shoulders. One more time. I don't know. Je sais pas. Okay. The next one, qu'est-ce que tu veux que j'y fasse? So what do you want me to do about it? So you just want to say that you cannot do anything to change the situation or what's happening. Qu'est-ce que tu veux que j'y fasse? The next one, se tourner les pouces. Normally that's the expression we tend to use when we say that we don't do anything. All right. So, se tourner les pouces, I don't really do much. Okay, it would be a possibility, you know, at work right now, I'm not doing much, so je me tourne les pouces. Look. Okay. And, well, this one, du calme. Stay calm. Voilà. Stay calm. Restez calme. Du calme. One more time. Du calme. Okay. The next one, well, is exactly the same concept. So, calmez-vous. Calm down. And that's the other possibility. So let's have a look at the gesture one more time. Calmez-vous. Okay. Il est mort. He's dead. And look, the gesture that comes with it. Hop là. Il est mort. Look. Il est mort. Mais non. So you want to say no. Mais non. In that case, you don't agree with what the person just said. Okay, so look. Mais non. Si vous permettez, direct translation, if you permit, so if you please let me add, say, do something, okay? You're asking for the permission to do something or to say something. Look, that's the gesture. We'll look at it one more time. Si vous permettez. Si vous permettez. That's it. And then the last one for this series. So, tu m'as fait peur, you scare me. Oh, tu m'as fait peur. Look. So you put your hand like Laurent does here. Okay. Tu m'as fait peur, you scared me.